Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary and in this video I'll be showing you how to make Moringa and fenugreek seed oil for hair growth. So this oil will help you with retaining length of your hair, making it stronger and fuller. Please like the video, comment and subscribe. Your support is highly appreciated. I will be using a glass bottle, fenugreek seeds. I bought this at discount costing less than 20 rands. This is in seeds form. You can also buy them in powder form from Take a Lot if you do not want to grind first. I will also use Moringa powder. You can find this at discount, Clicks or Take a Lot from 60 rands upwards. I will also use a measuring cup which is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. The oils I will be using are grapeseed oil, olive oil and avocado oil. I will start by adding Moringa powder. I will only use 1 tablespoon of Moringa. Moringa helps with thickening hair, it boosts hair growth, it contains vitamin A, B and omega-3 fatty acids which nourishes the hair. I will then add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. So fenugreek seeds or powder helps with treating dandruff, strengthening hair, preventing shedding and also thickening the hair and many other benefits. 3 years ago, I noticed that my natural hair ends were weak. So I decided to do some research and I found out that I can use fenugreek seeds in order to strengthen my hair. So since I've been using it, my hair has been stronger, fuller and no breakage. The last step now is to add oils. So you can use any oil you prefer, even castor oil, but only use castor oil for pre-shampoo as it is sticky. Do not leave it on your hair for a long time as a leave-in. So I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil helps with soothing the scalp, reducing hair breakage and nourishing the hair. I also used 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Avocado oil helps with retaining hair moisture, reducing dandruff, and induces hair growth. The last thing I added is 6 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. It moisturizes hair, strengthens weak hair, and reduces hair loss. After adding all the raw materials, I mix the ingredients and store the mixture for 1 week away from the sun. As you can see, the color of the oils changed to a darker color. I am now going to filter the mixture to remove the seeds and moringa particles. Just ensure that you use a proper filtering cloth so that no particle passes through the cloth. And this is how the oil looks like after filtering and ready to be used. This oil can be stored for more than 2 months without being spoiled. So I usually apply this oil before washing my hair as a pre-shampoo method. I apply it for 30 minutes to 8 hours while wearing plastic. I do this so that the oil can absorb properly, then wash it and condition the hair. I also use it before braiding my hair as a leave-in. All in all, I use this oil twice a month only and I've seen great results. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment and also share the video. And I will see you on the next one.